conquer the world with pride?
That's correct. That's correct.
I am amazed.
So congratulations. Yes, you've done it. You've amazed the juries as well. Anything you want to add on, or that's it? Thank you so much. Congrats.
I am a clairvoyant. Means I can talk to angels, I connect with them, and then I can tell anything about you. I would like to call upon Miss Pooja if you can come up on the stage so that I can have a reading for you. Is it okay for you to read about yourself?
Great. We heard something from others.
Thank you. So let's step in the world of unseen. Are you all ready for that?
Of course. Yes.
Right? Demons are everywhere, but angels, our guardian angels, are also available, also present near us whenever we feel sometimes it already happened. It happened with us, yeah? It already happened. So that guardian angels were telling us that yes, you have to do this, yes or no. So Pooja, I would like to ask you that you have lost somebody in past 3-4 years. Am I right?
Absolutely, that's right.
Okay. And one of your closest friend has ditched you also. Sure?
Very sure.
And you were so badly disturbed and you had so sleepless nights and calculated mind along with that.
Yeah. A long way.
Yeah. Because it was not acceptable from a dear friend that it could happen with means anybody.
myself Kiran Raut, artist and choreographer. प्रतिपचंद्र लेकेव वरती विष्णु विष्णु वंदिता सहासो शिवशेषा मुद्रा भद्राय राजते. आपले सर्वांचे आराध्य दैवत छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज यांना मानाचा मुजरा. म्युझिक.
मैडम जी सामने देखिए एकदम
कैमरा अच्छे में सोचा लेंस सही नहीं
है
अच्छा है.
हेलो अभी मत रुक जरा अभी मत अरे बोलो भाई, बोलना। छोड़ यार। फोटो मार रहा है यार वो।
भाई कट कर जरा,
अरे भाई क्या कर रहा है?
बाहर एक मिनट जरा। ये भाई जरा चल मोनिका जी वन मोर लोग। डन मोनिका जी।
महाराज सर फोटो ले लो।
Yes, one look. मैं बोल देता हूँ डबल डबल। ये सुविधा जी उठिए प्लीज। या
हेलो रुकना छोटे बोल ट्रक किसका बोल ट्रक
भाई एक नंबर थैंक यू भाई। साउंड थोड़ा बढ़ा मेरे भाई, साउंड बढ़ा मेरे भाई जरा। फेल ना फेल। यस मैम बोल मैम एटीट्यूड थोड़ा बोलना पड़ेगा भाई आइटम सब आगे लोग हैं आगे मैच रखी डन एक नंबर थोड़ा कमेंट शर्मा जी लोग शर्मा जी या भाभी जी भाई डन सुविधा जी डन भाई भाई मैडम वन मोर टेक थैंक यू कट ये
इधर मजा ले रहा है
round we are clapping, right? So music ready? Let the music be very loud and clear this time. Yes. Let's have Kavya Iyer.
My name is Kavya. When I put you, the pies have you.
क्वेश्चन इसको अपने मन से बच्चों वाले बहुत ही ऐसा पूछना कि तुमको यहाँ आना कैसा लगता है, ऐसा कुछ। हाँ, हिंदी में पूछो। हाँ, फटाफट
रश्मि राजी, प्लीज आस्क।
काव्य, आप यहाँ पे आने के लिए इंटरेस्टेड हो? आपको क्या मोटिवेट किया? आपको यहाँ पे आने का क्यों मन किया? मतलब आपको आप यहाँ पे आए हो, इसके आने का क्या कारण है? किस वजह से आप आए हो?
पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए।
ओके, तो आपके पापा मम्मी ने आपको फोर्स किया या ये आपका खुद का डिसीजन है आने के लिए? आपको खुद से पसंद है ये सब रैंप वॉक करना, डांस करना, या मम्मी पापा को पसंद है इसलिए आप कर रहे हो? आपका बहुत प्यारे बच्चे, लवली किड। थैंक यू सो मच, मम्मी पापा के सपना को पूरा कर रहे हो। वाओ, बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज। नेक्स्ट कंटेस्टेंट राधा।
Hello, you look very beautiful today.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Which is your favorite holiday destination and why?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. First of all, I feel that my favorite holiday place or any place in general would be Banaras. Because where death is on display, one cannot help but feel grateful for their life. One cannot help but feel grateful for all of the resources that we have. So a place that reminds me that how small me and my problems are, I think that's the place that Banaras gives me. Thank you.
So thoughtful. It's a very yummy. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next we have Swara.
Dreams don't have a limit, neither do I. From the sands of Qatar to the stage of Mumbai, Swara Sharma is my name, ready to fly. I dance to express and I draw to explore. Art and rhythm are what I adore. I may be 10 years old, but a little artist, a dreamer and a diva in bloom. Thank you.
I request Dr. Sazina ma'am, please ask her a question.
आपको सबसे ज्यादा पसंदीदा चीज क्या है? What do you enjoy the most?
I enjoy spending time with my family.
It's a very thoughtful answer. Very proud of you.
Thank
you.
Thank you. Radha, we would like you to please introduce yourself.
Once again, greetings to the jury members and to one and all present here. I'm Radha Vaikane and I'm from the city of Oranges, Nagpur. I'm 15 years old and I'm an active advocate of students' mental health and a feminist. I am an intricate dancer as well as a passionate painter. I have a zeal to do more for my people and to strive for the betterment of my country. With every painting I sign and every room I enter, I carry not just my name but the dreams of every girl who dares to be more. I am not just a contestant, but I am the voice of tomorrow speaking today as the youth of this nation. I am Radha. Thank you.
Ishika Dowry.
a chess player, and I've done a national record of blindfold skating for 32 kilometers, 3 hours and 10 minutes. It was held on my birthday. Like the last night I had fever, still I did it. And dance is my passion. It makes me happy and feel better, especially. Thank you.
I request Rashmindra for
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
You're looking lovely.
Thank you.
My question is to you, what you want to be when you're older? What's your passion?
Like, I've not decided, but I'll surely become something which is different from everyone and which will be helpful for like the whole world. And like, I want to be something great.
Yeah, that's amazing. Thank you.
Thank you.
Rashmit Rathi.
Distinguished guests and honorable judges, a very good evening to you all. Standing before you all today with passion and purpose, I am Rashmit Rathi, and I have come all the way from the star and key of the Indian Ocean, beautiful island Mauritius. Turning 18 next month, I am a student, and I serve as a proud president of one of the largest youth-founded and youth-managed NGOs in Mauritius. If you find music playing, I will always be dancing, whether it is a ballroom or my bedroom. I am also a very passionate public speaker because I believe that confidence, just like joy, should never be hidden. Thank you.
Pooja, are you giving us a hint or we should go ahead?
Vanita ma'am, we would like to have a question from you.
Hello, you're looking very, very pretty. And I really like the confidence, the way you are talking. So it's wonderful. So what have you decided for the future? What you want to become?
As of yet, I am not sure what exactly I want to pursue, but I do know that it would be something in the diplomacy line because I believe that the way to go is to make sure that you have established effective communication, whether it is at home, with your friends, your loved ones, on a national scale or even an international scale. I believe that peace is really important, it is really essential. So that is something that I would really like to work in the future.
Wow, perfect.
Thank you so much.
Chitra Tiwari.
हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ चित्रा तिवारी। मैं मुंबई में रहती हूँ और मैं एक्टिंग एंड मॉडलिंग करती हूँ। थैंक यू।
Rashmi ma'am, your favorite question. For you, what is important, money or the power? अच्छा, माइक लीजिए आप।
ठीक है, मैं आपके लिए क्वेश्चन चेंज करती हूँ।
वही ठीक था, उसको ट्रांसलेट कर दीजिए।
ओके, आपके लिए क्या इम्पोर्टेंट है, पैसा या ताकत?
ताकत।
वाई, क्यों?
मनी आज है, कल नहीं है।
ओके,
सो ताकत बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, तभी हम काम कर सकते हैं आगे।
वंडरफुल, वंडरफुल।
थैंक यू।
साक्षी आहूजा।
Ahuja. I am from Dubai. I am here with the grace and confidence to uplift the power of an empowered woman. Thank you.
Shikama.
Hi Sasha, looking very pretty.
Thank you, ma'am. So you are.
Thank you. My question for you is, can you please tell us how to handle rejection?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. First and foremost, the acceptance is must. It's okay to be sad sometimes for the specific moment, but I suggest that you should not stuck into the situation. Move forward with a positive mindset and try to transform your rejection to an achievement, because every no leads you to the right yes.
Very well said.
Thank you. Next contestant is Rajani Sharma.
Hello everyone, my name is Rajni Sharan. I'm a proud mother, a dreamer, and an achiever. I'm coming from Houston, multicultural city, where I work as an entrepreneur, an actor, educator, and a model. Beauty is my passion, and that's the way I connect with this world. I'm here to inspire all the women who belongs and who is dreaming to achieve something in their life. And that's I want to be, to help them to be success, I want to see them to be success. And that's my goal and ambition. Thank you.
Hi Rajni.
Hi.
You're looking very beautiful.
Thank you.
My question to you is, what made you to enter this pageant?
Thank you for this question. To me, this pageant is not just a competition. This is just not a dream for me. I'm here to inspire, to something, and to say to the world, if you're looking for something and achieve, you have to go for it and try your best. Make sure complete your passion, looking for your dreams, and fulfill what you achieve and looking for your goals. And I'm here to stand with pride, power, and pause. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Shubhangi.
माय नेम इज शुभांगी. मैं ब्लैक डायमंड सिटी चंद्रपुर से बिलोंग करती हूँ. मेरी एज 13 है.
अच्छा इनको तो पूछने के लिए क्या स्नेहा बोले क्वेश्चन क्वेश्चन है
हां
छान दिसते तू एकदम
Thank
सुंदर
you.
असलाय ब्युटी क्वीन
थँक्यू सो
मला एक विचारायचं आहे की आजचं जे जनरेशन मध्ये मुली आहे किंवा त्यांना तू काय संदेश देशील या फील्ड मध्ये म्हणतात ना की
हां.
हे चांगलं म्हणजे बघण्याचा दृष्टिकोन जो असतो तो जरा आजच्या पण याला पाहिजे तसा हे नाहीये रिस्पॉन्स नाहीये तर तू काय देशील संदेश म्हणजे आजच्या
मराठीमध्ये बोल
चालेल
डिपेंड आपल्यावर आहे म्हणजे आपण समोर जाण्यासाठी हे फील्ड चांगली आहे असं नाही की ह्या फील्डमध्ये सगळेच वाईट लोक नाही राहत आणि मॉडेलिंग मधून आपण समोर जाऊ शकतो म्हणजे रस्ते आपल्याला मिळते आणि हे फील्ड छान आहे आपल्यावर डिपेंड आहे हां
Thank you so much, all the beauties in life. Rajarka.
Hi, my name is Prajakta Iyer. I'm from Nagpur and I'm builders and developers by profession. आप करियर और फैमिली को कैसे बैलेंस करते हैं? मैं सालों से करियर और फैमिली बैलेंस करती हूँ। एक पहले बात हम जॉइंट फैमिली में रहते तो वो मेरे लिए इजी है और एज अ बिल्डर एंड डेवलपर मैं लास्ट 15 साल से बिल्डर्स एंड डेवलपर्स का काम कर रही हूँ अपने हस्बैंड के साथ विद फैमिली पूरा मेंटेन करके। तो मैं बैलेंस्ड करियर एंड फैमिली करती हूँ ऑलरेडी। टाइम मैनेजमेंट।
Yes, so all the beautiful ladies we would and the princess we would like you to please step down and take your seats. Let's have
Hello. Good evening, juries and all. Myself Kiran Raut, artist and choreographer. I'm from Maharashtra. I have completed my masters from Mumbai University and I have performed at university, state, zonal and national level competitions and I have represented Maharashtra in many other events and shows. और मुझे यहाँ पे और एक बताना चाहता हूँ कि डायरेक्टर शाहिर बाबा साहेब पुरंदरे उनके जानता राजा ये एशिया के नंबर 1 ड्रामा में यंग छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज का रोल करने के लिए सिलेक्शन हुआ है और टुडे आई एम हियर एज अ फाइनलिस्ट कि मुझे नई पहचान मिले और इन फ्यूचर मैं इसमें काम कर सकूं।
Hi, good evening.
Good evening.
Nice knowing that you are into choreography. Which choreography do you specialize in?
Folk dance.
Folk, acha, folk. So, which kind of folk dances and what made you go into folk dancing choreography?
एक्चुअली डांस में बहुत सारे स्टाइल्स है और बाहर से स्टाइल्स भी अपनी इंडिया में आ चुकी है और अभी रील्स और सोशल मीडिया के चैनल से बहुत जन मतलब वेस्टर्न और हिप हॉप के लिए ज़्यादा जा रहे हैं। तो मैंने कुछ अलग कि अपनी इंडियन कल्चर फोक उसको मैंने सिलेक्ट किया और उसमें मैं खुद पहले परफॉर्म किया, बाद में उसमें स्टडी की और अभी मैं उसमें कोरियोग्राफी कर रहा हूँ। और मैंने महाराष्ट्र, राजस्थान और आसाम का स्टडी कर चुका हूँ।
बट हमने फिर आपका डांस क्यों नहीं देखा आज?
एक्चुअली फ्यू डेज 2 वीक्स पहले मेरा एक्सीडेंट हुआ था तो थोड़ा सा वेस्ट में प्रॉब्लम है, इसके लिए मैं डांस नहीं किया। तो इसके लिए मैं एज अ कोरियोग्राफ करके मैं रैंप वॉक किया।
That was very nice. So it was really good to have ramp walk here. That was also with attitude. So nice to have you here. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Vaibhav Warrior.
Believe in yourself even if no one else does, because that's all that matters. I am Vaibhav Warrior. I'm a fitness coach, an international fitness coach, a former national athlete, and I've also won Mr. India Earth in 2022. It's my pleasure to transform the lives of people through fitness, whether it's health and also mentally as well. I look to continue to spread positive energy through fitness and by coaching, and I'm really glad to be here. Thank you.
So let's have Rashmi Raj. Mic, please. My question is that if you will win 100 crore rupees, how you going to spend that?
Thank you for the wonderful question. First of all, I would try to save at least 50 crores for later, because right now I may not make the best decision. But if I get 1 month of time, I can plan and think of a better decision to make. And 10 crores I will use to invest on a gym that is a world-class gym, because that's my profession, that's my passion. So I want to make a world-class gym that all around people of India can use it in a good way. That's what I will do.
Okay, thank you so much. Lovely answer.
Thank you.
Music. Sagar Deshmukh.
गुड इवनिंग ऑल ऑफ यू। मेरा नाम सागर देशमुख है, मैं नागपुर महाराष्ट्र से हूँ। मैं एक प्रोफेशनल मेहंदी आर्टिस्ट हूँ एंड मुझे एक्टिंग करना बहुत पसंद है। धन्यवाद।
Hello, Vaibhav.
Sagar.
Sorry, I'm really sorry. Hello, Sagar.
हेलो मैम।
आपकी फेवरेट एक्टर कौन है एंड क्यों?
एक्टर मैम पप्पा, क्योंकि पप्पा से मैम हमें बहुत कुछ सीखने मिलते हैं और वो हमें एक नई चीज करने के लिए बताते हैं, ये करो वो करो, इसलिए मेरे को पप्पा यानी कि मेरे हीरो है।
वेरी नाइस,
थैंक यू।
It's time to bring our showstoppers on the stage. So let's start with the show opener, Isha Datta. A big round of applause for Isha ma'am. Miss Glamorous Diva at Miss UAE International Pageant and a proud flight attendant. Leads to the crowning of the very first person, the show opener. I request Sunita Bhagat ma'am to please crown Miss Isha Datta, and also Kirti ma'am to please come on the stage to crown the diva Isha Datta. The show 7. Please, a big round of applause. Let's have a walk with these three beauties together. Thank you, Isha ma'am. The next I would like to call upon the stage Rina, winner Mrs. Fabulous, Mrs. Royal Global, Queen and today's showstopper. Ma'am, we would like to have your walk please. I would like to call upon Meena Monica ma'am to please come on the stage to crown the diva. A walk with the crown ma'am. Thank you. Let's have the next Ria.
और बहुत सारी ढेर सारी मस्ती मजाक यस यस प्लीज आई रिक्वेस्ट एंड प्लीज जोरदार तालियां हो जाए फॉर आवर सेलिब्रिटी गेस्ट।
तो पूजा से प्रिया बना दिया मुझे।
मैं माफी चाहता हूँ भाई, जिंदगी में कुछ भी गलती करो लड़की का नाम गलत मत लो, है ना पीयूष जी? पीयूष जी, पीयूष जी अपनी प्रिया को मैसेज कर रहे हैं, देख भी नहीं पा रहे।
So, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the results. The juries have already given us the results. The International Glam Icon winners. Ready?
बाजार में घूम रहे थे बराबर चले पे बाजार में
Junior category. So we have Miss International Glam Icon, first runner-up for the junior category, Swara Sharma. Can we have on the stage, please? Congratulations, Radha. Next we have Miss International Glam Icon, winner of the kids category, the very sweet princess Kavya Iyer. Kavya Iyer. Let's move to the Mrs. category. The Mrs. International Glam Icon winner of the classic category is none other than Mrs. Rajini Sharan. Look at the number of diamonds you have in the crown, Rajini.
मैम को बोलो ना मोबाइल नीचे रखो।
I will take this crown because it's time to again crown you. She has also won the title of Mrs. Face of International Glam Icon.
मोबाइल रखो ना।
Really, thank you so much, International Glam Icon Season 7, for having me here. Thank you.
Today as the first runner-up for International Glam Icon. Can we have Shubhangi on stage? Where is Prajakta Iyer, the Woman of Substance, winner of the title Woman of Substance, Prajakta Iyer. Can we have Miss Savita Asava, please? Savita Ma, would you like to say something? Savita Ma.
मैं एक ही बात कहना चाहती हूँ, कभी कभी औरतें एक दूसरे की टांग खींचती है, पर टांग खींचने से अच्छा साथ दे के चलेंगे ना तो दोनों की तरक्की होती है। सो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं सुनीता का साथ दूँ और सुनीता का पेजेंट में इन्वॉल्व हूँ। सो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छी लेडी है सुनीता। थैंक यू सो मच।
Best celebrity host on stage.
पहली बार इन्होंने सनी बाजी को सुनील बाजी बना दिया। सनी बाजी, Meenakshi. Sani Baji like getting award from Meenakshi ji. Damini, thank you.
RJ, and he's been a celebrity host. He's done interviews for Ranveer Singh and Shah Rukh and a lot of big guys. And he's from the day one, from the season 1 till season 10, we had only one anchor which was there from season 1 till 10 is Abhinandan Singh.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. So inspiring icon के बाद we'll have the loyalty icon awards. कुणाल मुझे लगता है
वो जब हमारी 25th होगा तब
right. तो जोरदार ताली for everybody here. Thank you so much.
Thanks
for
and congratulations, and
thank you.
The evening is going great. Please,
Amrapali Vasnik gets the honor.
सबको myself डॉक्टर अनुराग, डायरेक्टर ऑफ विशेष केयर सेंटर। आप लोगों को एक क्वेश्चन आया होगा, विशेष केयर सेंटर क्या है? विशेष केयर सेंटर एक ऐसा जगह है जो नागपुर में हम लोग 2 ब्रांचेस चलाते हैं। जिन लोगों को भी नर्सिंग की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, जैसे कि पैरालिसिस पेशेंट हो गया, साइकेट्रिक हो गया, डिमेंशिया हो गया,
आज के प्रोग्राम को जिसने इतने अच्छे से होस्ट किया है, सो मैं हमारे एंकर को बुलाना चाहती हूँ।
Let's move on to the next category. The winner for the Miss International Glam Icon, Rashmeet Rathi. Miss Rashmeet Rathi on stage, please.
हाँ इसलिए योगा में अगर दूसरे करेगा तो बात नहीं करना है नाम नहीं है तो बनने वाला ना तब तो
Stopper and Ria Aikane as the show stopper junior. All three of you on the stage, please. Yes, yes, showstopper. Dr. Sajina on stage, please. It's time for the jury who have done a lot of work today to find these queens out of the competition. So can we have Rashmi Rathi, Cosmic Universe winner from Malaysia, Shikha Sharma, Mrs. India second runner-up from Diva Pageant, and Mrs. Vanita Bhatia, winner of International Glam Icon, on stage, please. Avinash Goel as the trophy partner of today's evening. As the winner of Mr. International Glam Icon and Mr. Fit title awardee, the best fitness.
कर
थैंक यू मीनाक्षी जी। मीनाक्षी जी एक थैंक यू नोट हो जाए। What? मीनाक्षी जी गिफ्ट हैम्पर आपके लिए, जस्ट 1 सेकेंड। सुनीता जी एक गिफ्ट हैम्पर है फ्रॉम GRSA, फ्रॉम इंस्पिरेशनल बिजनेस आइकॉन एंड इंस्पायरिंग आइकॉन अवार्ड्स। कुणाल ठक्कर, मैं चाहता हूँ प्लीज आप सामने आ जाएं टू प्रेजेंट दिस अवार्ड। जोक से बात मीनाक्षी जी, मेनी मेनी कांग्रेचुलेशंस। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग सच